Hello and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can stream using OBS Studios. So over here we got OBS launched up right in front of us, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can stream. Over here, as you can see, there is this option called my apologies. But over here, as you can see, there's an option called Start Streaming. Now, before you start streaming, you'll need to connect your account to whichever streaming platform you're using. So we're gonna go over to Settings. Once you're in Settings, you wanna press on Stream, and once you press on Stream, you just wanna oh man, that is a lot of sneezes. From here, you wanna select whichever platform you will stream on. If it's Twitch, you wanna connect your Twitch account. If it's YouTube, you want to connect your YouTube account. If it's Facebook is gonna give you a stream key. You just want to pop that stream key right here, and that's gonna be it. And then you've got Twitter. That is if you want to stream on Twitter. Yeah. And if you want to if you want to show all those, there's more other things. You got Restreamio, Showroom, a lot of stuff honestly. But yeah, that's about it. That's how you can stream using OBS. All you gotta do is connect your account to where's Twitch. Alright, you just want to connect your account, and that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we're gonna be coming out with more videos and you do not want to miss that out. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.